Did you know there's a secret that the top 1% use to ensure their money grows and works for them, while most people remain stuck in debt and financial worry? It's not about making more money, it's about knowing how to manage what you already have. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to start thinking and acting like the wealthiest, so you can finally take full control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. It's not magic, it's strategy. Stay till the end and discover what the 1% know that you probably don't yet. When it comes to money, most people think they need to earn more to control their finances and achieve financial stability. But the truth is, what the wealthiest 1% do differently is having a mindset and clear strategies on how to manage every penny. They don't make more money, they simply know what to do with what they already have. Now, if you're wondering how you can start applying these strategies in your everyday life, the good news is you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore how you can use the same principles the wealthy use to build and protect their wealth, even if you're starting from scratch. Instead of focusing solely on earning more, let's work on maximizing what you already have and making that money grow for you. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to take the first steps towards smart financial management, which will transform your relationship with money and help ensure it works for you, not the other way around. Let's discover how to achieve this together. Before we dive in, if you're new to the channel and want more practical tips on transforming your financial life, make sure to quickly hit the subscribe button. This way, you won't miss any valuable content we've prepared to help you reach your financial goals. Go ahead, subscribe now, and stay with us on this journey. Most people spend most of their lives trying to make more money, but the secret of the wealthiest 1% isn't just in earning more, it's in how they think about and treat money. When you change the way you see and handle money, everything starts to shift. For example, while many people think of money as something to be spent, the wealthiest see it as a tool. They don't buy things just to show off or satisfy immediate desires, they think about how to use that money to generate more money. This shift in mindset is crucial. Think about this for a moment. When you start treating money as a resource to be leveraged, instead of something to spend quickly, you begin to act more strategically. This strategy includes investing, saving, and most importantly, understanding the value of money. Every dollar you earn is an investment in a better future, and it's this kind of thinking that creates long-term wealth. The wealthiest people in the world aren't eager to spend their money on things that quickly lose value. They invest it. They have a long-term mindset, and it's this mindset that allows them to build a solid financial foundation. Just like any other skill, financial management starts with a growth mindset. This means you need to constantly educate yourself on how money works, how investments work, and how to maximize your savings. This isn't something that happens overnight. But by shifting your mindset and treating money as a means to achieve your long-term goals, you begin to see changes in how you feel about your finances and eventually in your bank account. Now that you've got a growth mindset, let's talk about cash flow control. For many people, the big challenge isn't making money but knowing what to do with what they earn. The first step to managing your money effectively is having full control over your cash inflows and outflows. Many don't know, but simply controlling your expenses can make a huge difference in your financial health. Did you know that the wealthiest 1% have tight control over their spending? They know exactly how much they spend in each category: housing, food, leisure, health, etc. They maintain a detailed budget and update it regularly. When you get organized, you can see where you can cut costs and where you need to focus more. And here's an important point: a budget doesn't have to be complicated. It needs to be clear and simple. The first step is to map out your income. List all the sources of income you have, from your salary to investments or even passive income. The next step is to list all your expenses. Now, often people underestimate their expenses and don't realize how much they're spending on unnecessary things. A classic example is small daily purchases like coffee on the go or eating out. These small expenses might not seem like much, but over the course of the month, they add up to a significant amount. Once you identify your expenses, categorize them, essential and non-essential. This is crucial because it allows you to take a more strategic look at what can be adjusted. You can start by cutting unnecessary costs and reallocating that money toward paying off debts or investments. Remember, the wealthy don't spend their money without thought. They prioritize and direct their finances with the goal of growth and stability. Now that you have an efficient budget and control over your finances, let's talk about the most important part: how to make your money work for you. This is what sets the wealthy apart from most people: the ability to invest in assets that generate passive income. Passive income is money that enters your account without you actively working for it. There are several ways to generate passive income, and the secret is to start as early as possible. Investments in real estate, stocks, and even owning businesses can generate this income. The most important thing is to understand that the money you save and control should be directed toward investments that continue to generate money on their own. One of the most common ways to generate passive income is through real estate investments. If you buy a property and rent it out, it can generate a steady stream of income without you having to do anything other than manage the property. This allows you to have consistent income that doesn't depend on your active work. While the real estate market has its challenges, like any investment, the idea is to build a property portfolio over time to increase your financial security. Another example of passive income is dividends from stocks. When you invest in stocks of companies that pay out profits to shareholders, you receive dividends periodically. This creates a steady income stream and can be an excellent way to accumulate wealth over time. Diversifying your investments is also a smart strategy, as the risk of failure in one area can be offset by success in another. The key here is that by investing in assets that generate passive income, you'll be creating a system where money works for you. This is exactly what the 1% do to ensure their wealth continues to grow, even when they're not actively working. Now that you know how to invest in assets that generate passive income, let's talk about the importance of diversifying your investments. Diversification is one of the best ways to protect your wealth. If you put all your money into one type of investment, you run the risk of losing everything if that investment fails. The wealthiest 1% know this, which is why they diversify their investments. They don't put all their money in stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrencies. They spread their assets so that if one market goes down, others can compensate. Diversification isn't just about having more investments, it's about having the right investments in different sectors and markets. For example, you may invest in real estate, but you should also consider investing in stocks, index funds, even businesses or digital products. The key to good diversification is ensuring your investments are in different areas, so you have multiple sources of return. This ensures your wealth is better protected, even during economic downturns or times of instability. Moreover, diversification can also protect your passive income. If you invest in stocks and real estate, one market might not perform well, but the other might continue to generate good income. This approach reduces risks and increases financial security. The final part of the 1%'s secret is long-term planning. They don't think about money in the immediate term, they think about how they can build a solid foundation for the future. And to do that, it's essential to educate yourself financially on an ongoing basis. Long-term planning isn't just about saving or investing, it's about having a clear vision of where you want to be in 5, 10, or 20 years. For the wealthy, money is a tool that should be used to achieve bigger life goals. They do this by planning, visualizing, and, above all, taking action. Furthermore, continuous education is one of the cornerstones of financial success. The 1% never stop learning. They read books, watch videos, attend courses, and seminars. They know that financial education is the key to avoiding mistakes and maximizing growth opportunities. This is something you should do too. With every step you take to improve your financial knowledge, you'll be better prepared to make smarter decisions with your money. If you're enjoying this content and already starting to see how these strategies can transform your finances, go ahead and leave a like on the video. This helps spread these tips to more people and also motivates us to bring even more valuable content to you. Now, let's move on to the next part and continue the journey to financial success. Now that you have the tools to start managing your money like the top 1%, it's time to put all this into practice. Remember, the key is to think strategically, invest intelligently, and always continue educating yourself financially. If you want to keep your journey toward financial freedom going, we've got more videos here on the channel to help you take the next steps. Don't forget to click the videos popping up on the screen now to learn more about how to make your money work for you and achieve the life you've always dreamed of. See you in the next video.